Sum to infinity of a GP. In this module, you will learn how to find the sum to infinity of a geometric progression sequence. Let us consider a geometric progression sequence. Here a is equal to 1 and r is equal to 3 over 5. Therefore, Sn is equal to 1 minus 3 over 5 whole raised to n over 1 minus 3 over 5. This is equal to 5 over 2 within brackets 1 minus 3 over 5 whole raised to n. Let this be equation 1. Let us now study the behavior of 3 over 5 whole raised to n as n becomes larger and larger. We observe that as n becomes larger and larger, 3 over 5 whole raised to n becomes closer and closer to 0. In other words, we can say that as n tends to infinity, 3 over 5 whole raised to n tends to 0. Thus, from equation 1, we find that the sum to infinity many terms, that is S infinity of the above geometric progression, is given by 5 over 2. Now for geometric progression AR, AR square and so on, if mod r is less than 1, then Sn is equal to a into 1 minus r raised to power n over 1 minus r. This is equal to a over 1 minus r minus ar raised to power n over 1 minus r. As n tends to infinity, r raised to n tends to 0 as mod r is less than 1. Thus, S infinity tends to a over 1 minus r. For example, let us now find the sum of the infinite GP 1, 2 over 3, 4 over 9 and so on. Here a is equal to 1, r is equal to 2 over 3, that is r is less than 1. Therefore, S infinity is equal to a over 1 minus r. This is equal to 1 over 1 minus 2 over 3. Thus we get S infinity is equal to 3. In this module, you have learned how to find the sum to infinity of a geometric progression sequence.